Hello everyone, welcome to our ICT class. As we have completed one chapter, that is Programming Basic, and we have covered three topics: algorithm, flowcharts and pseudocode, which help us to develop our logical thinking skill for programming. Now we are going to implement those thinking to our programming language, which is the topic for today, that is QBASIC. QBASIC is a programming language, and this is very suitable for junior grade. The table of contents we have today are introduction, QBASIC, starting QBASIC, how to implement, how to install this QBASIC compiler, and elements of QBASIC. So let's start with the introduction first. Okay, so what is a programming language for? Programming language actually help us to perform any task in computer. It is a sequence of instruction actually which are provided by users, and that computer read it and does exactly what we say. Okay, and basic, first of all basic. Okay, basic is a high level programming language. All the programming languages are high level languages. Okay, that means that can be understood by human beings, okay, users, and it is converted to machine language by language processor, remember? Okay, so basic was designed by two scientists, John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz, in the year 1963. This is a very important point you need to remember. Name of two scientists, that is John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz. And it stands for, BASIC stands for Beginner All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Okay. So basically this language was especially developed for training the beginners in programming. That means when you are starting learning programming language, this language is very suitable. Okay, and there were different versions of QBASIC language like GWBasic, PowerBasic, and QBASIC. The QBASIC, in this chapter we are going to learn about QBASIC programming. Q stands for quick basic language. Okay. So from introduction you need to write 2 points, that is who developed QBASIC and in which year and what does it stands for. Okay. Okay. So actually the company which released this QBASIC language was Microsoft in the year 1991, and it was included for free with MS-DOS 5. MS-DOS 5 is actually an operating system. Earlier the operating system were like Windows XP, MS-DOS, okay, and the latest version of MS-DOS. And it also comes packed with the Windows operating system. Windows operating system are also developed by Microsoft company. And who is the owner of Microsoft company? Bill Gates, right? Okay. So now the programs which are in QBASIC, they need to convert it into machine codes, right? And to convert that high level language to machine code, basically QBASIC language use interpreter. Okay, not the compiler, it use interpreter. That means if there are error in one line, it will tell you then and there, and you need to correct it, and then only you can check for another line. Okay. Okay. So how we are going to install QBASIC software? Basically in Windows, okay, when we will do the practical in our computer lab, we will have this software, this QB64, okay, and it is already pre-installed in your all the computers. In this software you will do in ICT lab, and for now when we are going to do in our home online classes, okay, we are using our mobile phone, and this for Android phone, the name of compiler is QBASIC compiler. Okay, and you need to download this software, this app from Google Play Store, and I will give you the link of that app. Okay, so when we will do this Windows OS, we need to know what are the few things in the QBASIC editor window, like menu bar, program window, immediate window, and status bar. See here, menu bar. What does menu bar consist of? It consists of file, edit, view, search, run, debug, and options. These are the options present in menu bar. That means from this option you can open a new file, save your file, okay, quit, check your errors, search anything, okay. From program window, see another one, program window, that is blue screen. There you need to write your code, okay. Immediate window. Immediate window means the lower window, this one, down one, that means it will show you the errors here, okay. And status bar. Status bar means, see here, status, this one, the down one, okay. Status bar will show you the shortcut keys and the location of cursor, where the cursor is on the screen, okay. Okay, so the output screen in your Android phone will be this one, and in your Windows operating system, this one, the black one. You will click on run, start the shortcut key for compiling the program. To check the output is Shift plus F5, okay, and you will get the output in this black screen. But now we are going to do in Android phone, and this will be the output screen, okay. So for today class, we need to install this app, okay, and we need to write 2 lines here. See here, rem my first QBASIC program, print hi, my name is Barsha Kumari. You can write your name there, okay, and you need to run using this green button, okay. Run the program. You will get the output in this black screen, see here, okay, and you will need to click the screenshot and send me. And to save the program in mobile phone, in this Android application, you need to click on this 3 dot, and there the save option will be there. And one more thing, you save it as first.bas. BAS means the extension of QBASIC file. Extension define the type of the document. Which type of document is that, okay? Like if you are writing any document file, Excel file, there is after dot there will be the type of the document, okay. Like for MS Word it is .docx, docs, okay. So for QBASIC, the extension of QBASIC is .bas. BAS stands for basic, okay. So all of you, my dear students, you need to do this. First install this basic programming compiler by Cap Smart, okay, in your Android mobile phone, okay. Click on new option, because when you will first open this window, open this app, you will get a 3 or 4 lines program. Just click on this 3 dot and you click on new, and then you need to type 2 lines, this one, rem means it is a comment, it will not show in the output, okay. Rem means you are describing that what type of program is yours, like you're describing in a line, that is my first QBASIC program, okay. So rem means it is a description for the user. That means you can understand what does that line means or another line means, okay. Okay, so please do this one and submit the screenshot of your program in the group. Thank you class, take care, bye bye.